Hi guys, welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty. It's been a while since I've made a soap on camera, so let's see how this goes. You're gonna still see videos that I made from last year, but I'm gonna stick the new soaps I'm making in on Tuesdays. So I'm gonna get started with our Valentine's Day soap. And I'm so excited. I wanted to do this last year, but I totally forgot that I had these little duckies. I have a red one too. So I'm going to make cupcakes and put duckies on them. But I'm going to do the heat transfer method. That way it sets up faster. And I'm going to use the rest of my P.S I Love You fragrance. I'll stick the notes in the description box below. So I'm not going to make you watch the whole heat transfer stuff, but it's my Hawthorne recipe. So there is sugar, salt, and I'm about to put sodium hydroxide in there, and distilled water. And when I come back, we'll go over the colors. Okay, now I'll add my heavy cream and my yogurt. Heavy cream. Well, that's going to be heavy creamed. Let me stick this over here, out of my way. And I don't need all of this yogurt because that's more than 2 ounces. But it was like the extra. I made yogurt the other day because you guys know I make my own yogurt, and that was left over. So, okay, let me get this all mixed up and we'll go over the colors. Now, we are going to, let me wipe my yogurt off that spatula. We're going to be using the colors of the duckies. The bases are going to be yellow, and then I'm going to use pink, white, and I finally got some Trial by Fire. So this will be the first time I'm actually using the Trial by Fire from Nurture Soap. But a big old thing of it, so I don't have to worry about red for a while. I'm making lots of soap with red recently between fall and Christmas, and saw the Heaven's been selling like crazy, Notorious. I've been using a lot of red, so a lot of big old thing of Trial by Fire. Okay, so the bases are going to be the yellow, like I said. Did I bump you guys? I hope not. I'm moving just a little bit. Okay, but I have to weigh it. We're making 8 cupcakes. So that's what? 5, 10, 15, so almost 20 ounces. No, not grams. Measured my lie. Sorry, gotta concentrate. I'm gonna do 15 ounces. You know what? I think I'm gonna not use all of that. I think I'm just gonna make 6 cupcakes. I don't know. I probably should have done more than 24 ounces of oils. And I will have to stick blend this because I want the bases to set up. I'll stick blend it with the fragrance. This fragrance behaves really, really well. The beautiful, lovely Renee introduced me to this fragrance. We did a collab last Valentine's Day, I believe it was, and we used this fragrance. So, and I'll have to wash off Judy. Oh, it smells so good. And then I'm going to prep the rest of my colors, my white, pink, and red, while I'm letting these bases set up. I'm not going to bore you guys with all that stuff, but I have to tell you, we'll talk about it when I pipe. We'll talk about it when I pipe. Let me just pour these really quick. We'll see how much is there. We may get 7 cupcakes out of it. I don't know. 1. Because I don't want it to go all the way up. So hopefully I'm not creating too much shadow for y'all. A little bit higher than that. These are larger than your ordinary cupcake holders. And I don't know why it is. They just are. Yeah, it looks like we might be getting 7, guys. Oh, maybe we'll get 8. I don't know. We might get 8, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, well, this one's going to be a little bit short, but guess who's going to love this cupcake? Miss Ava. I'll give this one to Ava. She will love this. As long as I have enough piping for it. If not, I'll just stick the duck on the top. Got a new alcohol bottle because my other one was busted. I'm going to bang this alcohol, and then I'll be back when the piping's ready. Okay, I don't think we do this enough together, so let's do this. It's not quite set up, you know, it's not set up enough for piping, but I can definitely put it in my press and seal. Yeah, definitely nowhere near. But I want to get my dishes done. Y'all know me. That way I can just go sit and relax and wait for it to firm up. Okay, there's one. And I'm going to put the red on the other side. Funny thing is, my white is the least set up. Which usually, you know, your TD is the one that sets up the fastest. Not in this case. Not in this case at all. Okay. Okay. One more, and then we'll roll it up like a sausage. Yeah, see, look at that white. That's just pouring out of there. And also the reason why I wanted to put it in the middle. I think this is one that's going to need glitter before I put the duckies on. It's just too cute. Okay. So, I don't know if we've ever discussed it with the Glad Wrap. When you use, or not Glad Wrap, press and seal, you want the sticky side to be up. That way, you know, obviously it doesn't stick to your counter. And you just roll it up like a sausage and make sure it's not falling out of the back. I twist it loosely at first, and then I really twist it. Really twist it. And this is going to need a little bit more twisting itself. There we go. Alright, now I'm going to leave this on my counter until we are ready to put it in the piping bag, which Lord knows how long that's going to be. But we shall see. Alright guys, I'll see you then. Okay, now that it's been an hour and a half since this has been setting up, which I'm still not sure it's completely set up. We will see. Oh yeah, that's nice. So you just put a dot in the middle, twist your piping bag. So I was saying earlier that I know I haven't been keeping up with comments and all that kind of stuff. That's going to change now. I'm in what I call my off season, and now is a matter of getting all of the inventory restocked and all of that kind of stuff. So I'm going to get caught back up with all my favorite soaping people, watching their videos and all of that kind of stuff. So hopefully y'all didn't miss me too much. We had a good year, which is great. I'm very pleased with how our year went. Okay, now I'm going to go up my second level. These cupcakes aren't going to be high because I'm putting the ducky on there. I'm going to make Ava's a little bit higher because, well, she doesn't have as much yellow in hers. And I'm going to put the rest of this in Ava's. Well, almost the rest of it. The rest of it can go in something. Samples. To think about that. Okay, so I'm going to put my duckies on. Just like so. Spraying them all with alcohol as I go. I did bleach these and dry them for 48 hours because they have like a, you know, a little hole in them. I wanted to make sure that all of the water was out of there. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, I was going to put glitter on it before I put the duckies on. That's all right. I'll sprinkle some in my hand and then do it around. I'm so excited. Like I said, I was going to make these last year and totally forgot. And I love this fragrance. I think it's perfect. You know, you've got the Valentine's Day colors and the Valentine's Day ducks. And, oh, I need a paper towel so I can wipe my hand off. Otherwise, the glitter's going to stick to me. Oh, geez, my train just derailed. Oh, got the Valentine's Little Day duckies and the colors and whatnot. Put a little bit of glitter on that. A little bit of glitter on me. We're gonna shine like the top of the Chrysler building. Okay. Let your light shine, duckies. My daughter absolutely loves rubber duckies. When she was little, she would collect them, like seasonally. It was so funny. I don't know if she's still got any of them. I don't know. She was just sort of obsessed with them when she was a kid. Oh, I don't know if that's enough glitter, y'all. I want the duckies to be sparkly. Okay, yeah, I think that's enough glitter. And if I find spots that are missing glitter, I can do it off camera. But in 18 to 24 hours, I will unmold these with you guys. Next Tuesday, we're doing yet another remake, but it's a double batch, and I haven't visited with you guys in so long that I'm gonna make batches with you that you may have seen recently. I don't know. I just, like I said, want to visit with you guys. So I will see you when we're ready to unmold these. Bye-bye. Hi guys, welcome back. We're gonna unmold cupcakes, but I have who? Who is this? I have Ava with me. And very, very happy. There's lots of commotion upstairs, but I'm going to go get the cupcakes, and Ava is going to close her eyes because she hasn't seen them. So I'll be right back. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. Oh, Lily's here too.
Mama, you have to come
Hello,
out.
soap friends. Are you ready for the unveiling?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta close your eyes. Me too, I guess.
Yeah, you can
Let me put my glasses on.
You can stand wait.
No, it's okay.
Here they come. Keep your eyes closed.
Eyes are closed.
Eyes are closed. Ta-da! Oh my God! Are you kidding?
Oh my
You want to
God.
unmold one?
No, I want to buy one. I want to buy them all.
Yeah, I told them how much you love rubber
Oh.
duckies. Oh, sorry, honey.
Oh my God, they're so cute.
Okay, let's.
Who's that?
That's extra. That was extra piping. Okay.
Oh my
Who's
God,
that
those are
for?
so adorable.
That-
This one is yours.
I actually like this one.
Look at it. What do you think?
Ooh, I love it. It's made out of soap?
Yeah, they're soap.
Well, the ducky's not soap.
Yeah, the ducky's not soap.
But you'll be
Yeah,
able to
put it down. Put it down. If it's still soft, put it down.
you'll be able to keep the ducky.
Yeah, you'll be able to keep the ducky. No,
God,
I'll
those
do
are
it because
so
it's still soft.
cute.
Aren't they adorable?
Oh my god.
Because
I
remember,
love
we
them.
wanted to do this last year, but I couldn't find the ducks. So.
Oh yeah, I remember that, and we found them like right after
Yeah.
we packed everything up.
Yeah, right after Thanksgiving.
Do you need
Valentine's
it?
Day.
Valentine's Day. Okay, guys. So yeah, aren't they just delicious? They're just so cute. They are so cute. I love them.
Adorable, I love
And yeah, you want one with a pink one, don't you? Of course you do.
That's my favorite.
Yes, it is your favorite color. Yeah, I thought I
Why
would
you
do the
make them
bases
all
yellow. The bases are yellow because rubber duckies are traditionally yellow in color.
Yeah.
That's why.
Like this.
Yeah. And they have glitter on them too. Did you see that?
Oh, yeah, I see it.
All right, you want to tell everybody to have a great weekend, and we will see them later? Or great week. Yeah, great week. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.